Hello, welcome back to another day trading video. I've already got my analysis done for the day. I am extremely bearish with us breaking structure on the 4 hour, embracing this fair value gap as well. And we retraced into this equilibrium zone on 5 minute, and we kind of like shot down from it. And we still have that big all-time high SMT. ES took you out, NQ has not yet, so I think it's going to come down and get some fuel before going for the all-time highs. So yeah, so my analysis done. I was hoping we'd leave these highs until what's it called, the market open, these equal highs, so that I could enter off of a continuation confluence of market open, just sweeping these equal highs and then dropping down. I would have entered off of that with an SMT, of course, and a 1 minute breakout structure, but it looks like we're not getting that. Hey, I think my main issue with ICT was that I was like, whenever I was trading it, I always looked in both directions, both bearish and bullish, and I was like focused on the low time frame. So today I'm going to try to change that. That's why I started on the 4 hour. Really did my analysis there, figured out what market was looking to do, and now I'm completely bearish for the day. I'm not going to flip that bias unless we take out my draws and liquidity for the downside. Then I might have no choice but to do that, so we can get a retrace up. But yeah, I'm gonna try and work on my analysis, get better every day, you know. Market opens in 2 minutes. What I want to see now, because we've already taken these highs low-key, I still want a 5 minute manipulation. It's gone. High. This was an SMT there, so that's already taken too. So I want this to get taken. We need a 5 minute manipulation for an entry if we're in a continuation bias. So I want that to get taken there. Now I'm going to go for 1 to 2 and try and pass the eval. And Q is shooting higher up. I mean, ES is shooting higher up. And Q is still down there a bit. That's expected because NQ is a bearish leading one. I can see there that it didn't even take that high. What ES already took it. And ES is the one that swept all-time highs. That's a big SMT. Look at that big ass white candle, and we got Drake down here. So like that's kind of shocking, to be honest. But we shall see what happens on market open in 4 seconds. 2, 1. Okay, we're gonna drop down all the way. Okay, we got a 5 minute manipulation on ES there. Those highs, and Q is still going down. What do I want to see now? On some kind of confirmation before an entry. So I'm still very much bearish. Yes, fill this fair value gap again. And that's a big ass SMT. But I need some kind of 1 minute confirmation. I mean, after this candle close, we will have a break of structure, I guess. We could go in for that. Target 1 to 2. 15. Looks like it's gonna go for those lows down there. Yeah, look at that SMT we had. Gonna enter this yet, because I usually don't enter a trade this early. I just swept one of the draw on liquidity for the day. What's ES saying? ES hasn't swept it yet, so there's a bit of an SMT there. Yeah, I look, you should have entered that. We got our 5 minute. We got our 5 minute manipulation confluence on there, followed by a big SMT and a 1 minute break of structure there, a big displacement. So that should have been our entry there, but it's so early into market open. I just thought, come on now, that's like the first candle close. It could still be a manipulation, which it wasn't. But oh well. At least I know I did something right there. Now what do I want to see happen for me to get a good entry here? I have a feeling we're gonna go for London lows. Gonna take those equal, take us down to those lows before we even think about reversing. So what I would want is like a bit of a retrace before going in. So you're about to inverse this fair value gap, this order block. Three minutes up to market open. Whoa, we bought right back up, huh? Let's see here. Oops. That's after a high time frame sweep, so it could potentially be a reversal. Let's check what sweep is that, what time frame. That's a 30-minute one. Is it a 1 hour one as well? Yes. It's not a 2 hour one though. So I could still enter off of a closure outside of equilibrium as long as we don't close above 0.78, But it looks like we might do that. Is the order blocks that if they get wicked, then you can't count it as like respected, or is that something else? I don't remember. Either way, damn, we're showing strong rejections off of that. Let's see what the high time frame is still saying. We could still be getting a bit of a retrace into equilibrium on the high time frame before dropping back down, This could be a manipulation because I'm still very strongly bearish here. Now that we're all the way down there, we tapped into equilibrium just now, and that fair value gap. Is that a fair value gap on the? Yeah, that's a 2 hour fair value gap, and a 1 hour. Yeah. So we tapped into that while we're still on the downtrend, so we don't want to trade against the high time frame. So on the 5 minute, what are we seeing here? Looks like we're about to start breaking down. Do we have any more SMTs? I can delete these now, they're kind of useless to us. So what do we want to see? Although we traded into there, equilibrium. On a closure below 0.78. That would also be an inverse of this fair value gap. So that would be a nice entry. Stop. Damn, 50 points is crazy. Or 1 to 2, go down there. I like the look of that though. Aligns with my bias, and it's a strong displacement after getting a manipulation like. How many contracts would that be? 6.7. That's 67 contracts. We didn't inverse it yet, so I'm not going to enter. What's this doing? Come on, give us that inversion there. No inversion yet, but I feel like it's going to drop down. Still no problem. This is where we're going to get the inverse. After respecting that 1 minute gap, maybe. Let's find out. Not yet. Rejected off the 1 minute gap though. Let's check the 4 hour. Is it turned into a big wick? Yeah, the 4 hours bearish. This is going lower, bro. 30 seconds until it's closed. This might be our entry. Let's just hope it gives us a good close, you know. All right, we sell.
Order filled.
Okay. Damn. Excuse me. Okay, we're in the trade. Let's see. Trader lines of our bias. Still lows to get taken down there. Our stop. I'll be happy we're getting stopped out here because I did some good analysis in my opinion. Doesn't mean I want to get stopped out though. Damn. Times like this, what do we do? Oh shit. Wait. Yeah, we definitely inverse that 1 minute though. So this is in my opinion, it's a good entry. Whether we get stopped out or not will be decided soon. Yeah, I was saying before, what we do in these situations, powerful. I'm interested. That's when the market will flip with us. Sun told one sword style. Okay, let's start seeing some movement to the downside here. Oh wow. Okay, there it is. Big moves, big moves. Let's get those lows taken. After we take out that first low, I'm moving to break even. Let's move back on the 5 minute. Are we taking it? Not yet. It looks like we're about to. 40 seconds until the 1 minute candle closes. Let's see. That is a pretty important low right there. Okay, once we have no risk on the table is when I'll be happy with whatever happens today. Really close to that low, let's just take it and not reverse right here. All right, guys. We're about to take it. Come on, bruh. I hate when it fucking feels about, oh wait, 4 Santorio. One sword style. The nigger of the north. Oh, I can't say that. Fuck. Damn, now I'm not gonna make any money from this video. I wasn't making money anyways, that was a joke. Okay. Come on. I did some good analysis. Showed me that it paid off, please. Please, pretty please. I'm not gonna suck your dick though. Let's drop down. Imagine a fucking dojis, bro. So close, so close. Let me take the risk off the table. Oh my god. It's edging it. It's edging it. 40 seconds until the 1 minute close and the 5 minute close. If we don't take it here, I think it's gonna open and then take it and then fuck off. Whether it reverses or shoots back. Okay, move into break even. Boom, no risk on the table. This is what we like to see. This is what we like to see now. Now help us pass this eval today. Okay. Wow. And that's why I moved to break even, because that's the low that once it's taken, it could easily reverse from. Because look, is that London lows that got taken? I think it was. Down the 1 minute, I can't really go up. Yeah, it was London lows. So that's a very key low. And if it reverses there, I'd rather have no risk on the table and be safe, you know? But it looks like it's going to continue down to take the other lows that I marked out. Let me show you. The reason why my TP isn't there is because I only need a 1 to 2 in order to pass the account. So I just want that to hit, you know? Let's see if it will. Let's see if we'll get blessed today. We just need a quick move down. Fill us out. Okay, we took another low. So if we continue moving down after this low, we will pass the eval. Or we will reverse if we don't continue after that low. Because that was previous day Asia lows. No, previous day New York AM lows. So yeah. I'm hoping to continue down, but you never know, you know. You never know, you know. Okay. How much longer do we have? Damn. It looks like that's the end. This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth moving then. In my heart slow again. 'Cause this is the end. I've drowned and dreamt this moment. Whatever the eye. Oh. Took out two of the lows that I wanted to take for the day, and that would be enough to reverse. But I hope it's not, and I hope the market is greedy today and wants to keep going lower, because then my TP will get hit. But you never know with these markets, bro. I'm really happy with this analysis today, bro. So looking at the what's it called? The high time frame for the initial bias is really a good idea for me, I guess. Well, I guess I don't really know until I do it multiple times. Today was first time me trying it. If this closes and makes a fair value gap, then we have another safety condition for now. That could keep us in the trade. But I don't know if we'll still be alive by then. Either way, I'm happy with a break-even trade today. Can always come back tomorrow and win. We'll have 2 more trading days in the week. Oh, strong rejection, hopefully. Oh, wait. First rule of the leaf. Yeah, I'm not interested in the charts. Do you think? I'm not looking. Or refill. Oh shit. Now it's going back up again. Damn. Bit of the action, bro. No, we're gonna get stopped, bro. What? Maybe pity farming works. Oh, fuck, bro. I'm so broke. Let's did my PP so that I can get it funded and pay for food. And shit, bro. But market doesn't like me. Oh, fuck, bro. I'm homeless. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out. This is all he left me, man. All the swords, that's all I got, bro. Man. I just need this straight to... It's not working. I just need this straight to hit TP, bro. Where's the magnet? Oh yeah, we might be cooked here. I don't like that close. It's a strong bullish close. Can I fucking reduce the size of this shit, bro? Hello? Shit bigger than fucking big people. How do I reduce the size? That's moving it. That's angling it. Fuck it, bro. Oh, it's looking kind of nice, though. Also adjust the size. Depending on how zoomed in you are. Okay, let's see if we'll continue pushing down and hit TP, or we're gonna reverse back up. It looks like it's the latter. Reversing back up. Let me put my sword away, bro. Nah, I'm too scared to leave my seat right now. Let's just wait. Fuck. I don't know what it is with trading. Like every time you have like risk on the table, you get scared shitless. And then when you have no risk on the table, you're still scared shitless. You still want your trade to hit at the end of the day. But you can tell yourself all you want. Oh, I have no risk. I can, if I get break even, I'm good. But like, you want TP to hit, bro. Deep down. We all do. That's why we trade, to make money. Well, there's no risk, and realistically, I should be happy that I get stopped out. I lost nothing. Oh, I gained 21 actually. Was it 21? Yeah, 21 quid. But that 1.5k at the bottom there is looking real nice as well. So it depends on how nice the market is feeling today, bro. We still have that 5-minute fair value gap up there. Let me draw it out. Trading view. Any SMTs or anything? Doesn't look like it. Oh, there is actually. London hasn't been swept by it, but yes. Oof, I'm not liking that. Pardon me. Hey, is my magnet gonna work or not? Wow, I don't like this. Chrissy, wake up. Chrissy, wake up. I don't like this. Okay, we're about to break past those original lows that we made. Now I just hope it continues downwards. Okay, we start that low. Surely wouldn't reverse after it. That's not even sweeping the low. That's like just creating another low, no? Oh, we swept something there. Was that an equal low or was that already swept? Let me check. No, it's already swept barely. Okay, that's good. I thought that was an equal low, bro. So the next low we've got is PM session lows. Let me put trading view on the screen. PM session lows. Why is my magnet not working, bro? What? Oh, yeah, whatever. PM session lows. Oh, fuck, what's going on? Oh, we're getting bought back up. Okay. My TP is between... Is that PM session, basically. Fuck, this is so scary, bro. This is so scary, man. Is there any news at 3? No, all the news already came out. Please just don't reverse here, bro. Go lower, man. Fuck this magnet, man. Negan, lend me your strength. Lucio. Oh, I don't like that. Usually when it flashes a wick like that, it shows that it's about to reverse because it was taking out some kind of draw on liquidity. Fuck's sakes. Yeah, look at that, bro. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Shooting all the way back up now. Wow, man. This is a fucking hard trade, bro. Let's check the 4-hour on TradingView. See what's popping. Don't mind me just watching. Four-hour is still almost at the lowest that it's been. Still can reverse. Obviously, I don't want it to. I want my TP to get hit. But apparently that's too much to ask for nowadays. God damn, bro. Hey, let me keep turning my back. I should play baseball. Is it called baseball? No. Cricket. Okay, it's working. Swing. Swing. I'm gonna press down. Oh, it's not working. Fuck. That's uninterested. Ah, I think if I get stopped out, I break even today. I would probably feel worse than if I were to get stopped out at like a loss, you know? Purely because I'm so close to passing. And I can feel it in my bones, bro. And I already know how emotional I am right now. It's not good. There's only so much we can do. It's all up to the market from now on. Once you place a trade, that's all you can do, bro. Hope. And just hope that your analysis was correct. Why is she hitting me up again? Okay. Yes, power through, power through. No, 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 don't tell me that was the low that I wanted to reverse. Come on, you can do better than that. You can do better than that. You can do better. You will do better. You must do better. Need it. Strength. It's not working. Please. Please. I need this. Come on. You're right there. You're right there. You are actually right there. If I do a little dance. You thank you. Please don't do this to me. It's not racist. Okay. One more push. One more push, hopefully. One more push. One more push. Push! Like a pregnant lady, push, bro. 2.
Order filled.
Hallelujah. 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 I'm actually so proud of myself for today, bro. That was like A+ execution, A+ analysis. I am very happy with what happened today. We passed the eval. Hopefully, it's not going to be some additional profit shit. Consistency rule, whatever. Will there be actually? 13. Oh shit, it might be, you know. I hope not, bro. Anyways, it's been your boy, Moses/Triple. Thank you for tuning in today, guys. That just shows that the Lucille method is not patched yet. It will continue to work, even in my new funded account. This is your activation, so thank God for that. Tomorrow, oh, I even called it Road to Funded. That's funny. So yeah, I remember the first payout account, I called it Payout, and I got a payout with it. So this time I'm gonna call it Payout 2. Then I'll get a payout from it. But yeah, man, see you guys. Yesterday was crazy for me because I had 500 left, and I just made it all back from gambling. Today, I made up for that gamble by purely doing analysis. I'm happy for that. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.